Y'all, I'm Diana Brienne, and I got to thinking today about telling those who you love that you love them. So often, the people that need to hear it the most don't hear it from us. Our families, our close friends, the people that we love. You know, our parents, no matter how old they are, love to hear that we love them. Let your parents know by giving them a call, sending them a card, doing something to let them know how much you care and how much you love them, no matter what age they are or what age you are. Let your children know how proud you are of them. Encourage them. Use positive words over them. Let them know that you love them. Let your spouse know how much you are proud of them and that you love them and that you are grateful for each and everything that they do in your life for you and your family. Let those closest to you know how much you really care. Those are the people that really need to hear it. From my house to your house, God bless you.